Hi everyone, in front of me I've got myPhone N23 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and as you can see I've applied the special type of a grid line. It is called golden spiral, and I did it because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically this golden spiral should disappear after resetting the settings. All we have to do in order to do that is to enter the settings themselves, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it, and then let's tap on this custom icon. As you can see at the bottom we've got the reset option, so let's tap and confirm it with OK. As you can see we just got back to the camera and the grid lines or this golden spiral is not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.